Welcome. I am so glad you came.
Please have a seat.
They are so simple, so trusting.
Dressed for a party, not a reckoning. Their vanity is my greatest weapon. I have a special surprise for you. A party favor to remember me by.
This party is about control, and you are all my guests. Their fear is intoxicating. Their weakness is a sweet melody. I will break them. Your pathetic lives are now mine. I will teach you true. Your pathetic lives are now mine. I will teach you true despair.
By whom? It's not possible.
Even the smallest can defy you.